A distant galaxy exhibits unusual, persistent X-ray flickering from a supermassive black hole. Reported in Science Advances, this unprecedented behavior, unlike the typical variable emissions from black holes, suggests a clumpy accretion disk or a partially obscured jet. Further observations are needed to distinguish between these scenarios and to determine if this represents a new class of black hole feeding activity. This discovery challenges our understanding of black hole accretion processes and necessitates further investigation into these enigmatic objects.